Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with AB. In today's video recipe, I'm going to show you how I'm making the slow cooker bourbon chicken. First, we're going to start off with Kentucky Fire Bourbon. Now, you can use any type of bourbon you like. This is just me trying to be fancy. You know, we got teriyaki sauce. As you can see, we got cornstarch, French's yellow mustard. You know, we got honey. And then right here, you know, you can see right here in the front, you know, there we that's the star of the dish right there. That's your chicken breast. Then you got ground ginger, minced garlic, and rice. Now, after you wash your chicken and get it dried off, you want to go ahead and cut it, you know, slice it any kind of way you want to, you know, and then you want to cut it into bite-sized pieces. Me, I like mine a little bit big, but you can cut yours down, you know, smaller than what you see right here in this video. You know, this part, you can do it any kind of way you would like it. Now here I'm using Crockpot liners. These are like great for like cleanup, you know, once you're done cooking. And listen, it has another purpose. That I'll be showing you that in just a minute. So once you have your liner in there, you want to go ahead and put your chicken bites in the bag. And then we want to get ready and get set up to start making our sauce. The full recipe will be in the description box below. Now in a bowl, you want to mix all of your ingredients, everything except for your starch and your water. Now you want to mix everything, you know, well. You want to stir it and get all of the ingredients mixed thoroughly. And then after you're done with that, you want to just go ahead and add it to your crock pot, pour it on top of your chicken. You know, make sure it covers everything, and then we want to set our time. Now this is the cornstarch slurry. This is just a tablespoon of cornstarch and a tablespoon of water. And this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna mix this, and then we're gonna pour it into our sauce. And this is gonna be our thickening agent. Remove your chicken and put it in a bowl, and then you want to keep your chicken warm. Earlier in the video, I told you using the Crockpot liner had a dual purpose, and here it is right here. Listen, it makes it really easy for you to just take it out of your crock pot and then put it in your pan. Now, once you get your sauce, you know, get it boiling, you want to go ahead and pour your cornstarch slurry in here, and then you want to keep stirring. And this right here, we want to keep stirring and keep cooking it under this medium-high heat until we can get the thickness that we like. Once you reach your desired thickness, now it's time to go ahead and just plate. And instead of me using a plate, I'm just gonna go ahead for this for these purposes, I'm gonna go ahead and use my cutting